An if-else statement is like a regular if statement, except that it causes the program to follow one of two possible paths of execution. If the Boolean expression is true, the program will execute one set of statements, but if the Boolean expression is false, the program will execute a different set of statements. On the screen we have the general format of the if-else statement in Python. The top part looks just like a regular if statement. It starts with the word if, followed by a Boolean expression, followed by a colon. And then we have an indented block of statements. And in fact, this part of the statement works just like a regular if statement. If this expression is true, then this block of statements will be executed. But notice that after this block of statements we have an else clause. That's the word else followed by a colon. And then beginning on the next line we have another indented block of statements. Well, this block of statements will be executed if the Boolean expression is false. Here's an example program that we can try that uses an if-else statement. So this program is going to ask us to enter a test score, and then it will tell us whether we passed or did not pass the exam. So in the if-else statement we have if score greater than 59. If that's true, we'll see these messages: congratulations, you passed the exam. If this Boolean expression is false, however, if score is not greater than 59, then the else clause will take over and we will see these messages displayed: sorry, you did not pass the exam, study and then try again. So let's run the program and try it out. Okay, enter your test score. First, let's enter a test score that we know will be a passing test score. Let's say 90. And it tells us, congratulations, you passed the exam. And here in the code you can see that score is equal to 90, so the Boolean expression is true. This block of statements executed and this block was skipped. Okay, well, let's run it again, and this time we'll enter a test score that is not a passing score, 50. And it tells us, sorry, you did not pass the exam, study and try again. So in this example, score was equal to 50, so the Boolean expression is false, and the program jumped down to the else clause and it executed the statements here in this block. Now, some final things that I'll mention about the if-else statement. Remember to be very consistent with your indentation. Notice here in this example that the if clause and the else clause are aligned. They're at the same level, and the block of code, the conditionally executed blocks of code, must be indented. So the block that I have here following the if clause is indented one level, and the block that I have following the else clause in this example is indented one level. So as always in your Python programs, make sure that your indentation is proper and consistent. Also, I'll mention that an if-else statement provides two possible paths of execution. The program will follow one of these paths, but not both. It will always execute either the block of statements that follow the if clause or the block of statements that follow the else clause.